If your car insurance just got more expensive, you're not alone. Rates jumped nearly 10% last year, and 2026 is off to a bumpy start. In fact, some states saw double-digit increases. New Jersey? Up nearly 23%. Ohio and Maryland? Not far behind. What's driving this? Inflation, more accidents, rising repair costs, and extreme weather all pushing premiums higher. Repair costs alone are up nearly 10%, thanks to expensive parts and tech-heavy vehicles. Medical costs, lawsuits, even severe storms, all these risks get priced into your premium. And risky driving behaviors aren't helping. Distracted driving, DUIs, and car thefts are pushing rates higher too. In some states, like New Jersey and North Carolina, legal changes to liability minimums are also hiking up rates. But here's the good news. There are ways to save, even with prices going up. Ask about discounts, take a defensive driving course, and consider dropping collision coverage if your car is older. Installing anti-theft devices or switching to a safer vehicle could also lower your rate. And if you're comfortable, raising your deductible can cut costs. Just be sure to compare quotes. Click the link in the description box below for your free car insurance quotes today.